to use. Long press the button to turn it on. Double click to print APP QR code. Download APP Inprint in your phone and enter it. Enter into My Device to find printer. Turn on Bluetooth in your phone. Back to My Device, click Device to connect printer. Photo printing. Choose photo in your album and print out. Text recognition printing. Sticky note printing. To-do list printing. Label printing. Material in Inprint APP.